Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Fora Financial business loans. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Fora Financial Business Loans, a well-known financial services provider, specializes in offering financing solutions for small businesses. As with any financial institution, there are both advantages and disadvantages to consider when evaluating whether Fora Financial Business Loan is the right choice for your business. On the positive side, Fora Financial Business Loan provides a streamlined and efficient application process for small business financing. This can be a significant advantage for businesses in need of quick access to capital, as approvals are often swift, facilitating prompt funding. Fora Financial Business Loans is recognized for its flexibility in offering various financing options, including short-term loans, merchant cash advances, and lines of credit. This array of choices allows businesses to select a financing solution that best aligns with their specific financial needs and objectives. Additionally, for a financial business loans, customer support services are generally responsive and attentive, providing assistance and guidance throughout the application and financing process. This level of support can be particularly beneficial for businesses seeking smooth and reliable lending experience. However, there are some drawbacks to consider when working with Fora Financial Business Loans. The interest rates associated with their financing solutions tend to be on the higher side compared to some other lenders, potentially impacting the overall cost of borrowing. Businesses with tighter budgets may need to assess the affordability of these financing options. The terms and conditions of Fora Financial Business Loans financing solutions may be less favorable for businesses with longer repayment horizons, as they often involve short-term financing. This can create challenges for businesses that require more extended repayment schedules. In conclusion, Fora Financial Business Loans offers a range of financing options with a straightforward application process, financing flexibility, and responsive customer support. However, the relatively higher costs associated with their financing and the short-term nature of their loans may not be suitable for all businesses. So that's basically all about Fora Financial Business Loans. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.